Hi there. In this video, we will discuss how to set up the automatic sending of account and memo statements for the accounts of your choosing. The first step is to access the Wholesale Account module. In order to do so, take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the Wholesale Accounts menu option. Select All Accounts on the left. Click on the Schedule tab. In this tab, you will see scheduling options for account and memo reports. To enable the automation, check the respective checkboxes. Once the setting is turned on, you can set up various different options here. The first option allows you to choose whether you want to receive the report at the end of the month or the first day of the month. Note that the account statement scheduling also has the ability to include open memos and an account portal link. The last option allows you to choose which accounts will have the scheduling enabled. Shown accounts are already included. To include other accounts, click the Add Included Account button. In the open dialog window, choose the account you'd like to add. Note that after left-clicking the account's name, it will be automatically added to the scheduling list. That's it for scheduling the sending of account and memo statements. Thanks for watching.